Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this video, I will show you how to fix app issues due to incorrect time and date in iOS 18. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then scroll down and click on general. After clicking on general, scroll down and here you can see the option date and time. Now click on date and time and you can set your date and time automatically. After setting your date and time automatically, and then close all the background apps after set your time automatically. After doing this step, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix, then restart your iPhone. It can fix minor glitches. For restart your iPhone, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time. And then slide this icon to right side for restart your iPhone. After restart your iPhone, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix, then open settings and now click on general. And then you can see the option software update. Now click on software update and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest iOS version, then update it to latest iOS version. After updating iOS version, then scroll down and click on transfer or reset iPhone and reset, and then click on reset all settings. And here enter your screen passcode to reset all your settings, and here it will be confirmed to reset all your settings. It will never destroy any other data like photos, videos and other data. It will only reset all these settings. So after reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. So this is the way to fix app issues due to incorrect time and date in iOS 18. Thanks for watching this video.